Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you've been well. We're gonna review 0-day options on SPY and the small account challenge. Sorry I've been away. Family's been sick. Some kind of Chinese virus or something. It's been gnarly. High fevers, multiple days. Yeah, no fun. So been busy with that. And then we also had company. So haven't been able to trade a whole lot. And definitely haven't been able to review for videos. But I'm gonna do my best to catch up a little bit. This is my third take now. I keep trying to review the days that I've screenshotted, and it's not lining up. It's so confusing and it's not working. So I'm not going to review those days, although I could review. I'll look at this one. There's the Koenigsegg, or not the Koenigsegg, the yacht, the beautiful yacht. Yeah. So, anyways, let's see if we can get through some of the reviews. It's been nice though, just being able to kind of show up and chart for a little bit, and then just execute a trade with confidence and come out green on it. That's kind of one of the gifts of this strategy, is to just be able to do that and not be tied down to the computer for 7 hours during the market, and just kind of one and done it and have the freedom of that. It's tough when you like need to make money doing it or whatever, but the best way to do that is to kind of not try to and just do it in the background a bit. But yeah, anyways, so this is the last day I traded. This was yesterday. This is Monday. This was on, that's 323, but yeah, this was actually Friday. So FOMC day, I was a little red, but ever since then, I've actually had green days. Not huge ones. Caught some awesome trades, and I've tried to review them, but they just haven't worked. It's not lining. That's too confusing. So I'm not going to do it. Let's say this was Friday. Let me double check on Webull what it looks like on Friday. Yeah. So this was Friday's price action. Big bear flag going on. Let me just try. Just give it one last effort to see if I can sort out which day were these options. Yeah, 320. Gotta be this one. Yep. So I'm not gonna review it. I'm not gonna do it actually. I'm not gonna do it. I'll review Monday. Yeah, this is too confusing. But you can see my drawings there. Nice liquidity being built with that gray, breaking it, bouncing on gold. Once I had gold drawn, it was much easier. Could have taken it here on the break, or wait for this inverse cup to close and a little handle, and then wait for gray to build, and even have a little retest there, or breaking down below the gold. Green for the precision, or purple. Manage that selling. I think I did catch some of these. Like I said, every day's been green. I haven't, of course, caught the whole move, but this down here. Okay, yeah, I remember this day. I'll just go off of memory and not trying to look at the actual time. I remember actually I did catch this end of day trade as well. I caught this move right here. I don't know how much of it, but I didn't catch this one. Just wasn't around or was mentally drained enough. I did come back for the 10-minute move right here though. Once it broke gold, I was looking for a kind of a safety type play. This came up, started building liquidity on gold, broke gold, and I managed it with that red. So I didn't hold it all the way up, which is unfortunate because this was like 200%. I wanted to, but I was only able to hold it to like here. It's actually kind of slow for 10-minute move. Yeah, but and then this was Monday. This was yesterday. So this was a day where I kind of just showed up towards the middle of the day and then did some charting and had a green trade. So didn't catch all the moves, didn't catch the biggest moves, but it was just cool to be able to do that and then just be off of it. Definitely some good moves here, and this move ended day was so beautiful. I really wish I was here for this one. Just with my gold charting and breaking the gold, nice little head and shoulders, rejection on VWAP. Final 10-minute trade, that would have been multiple hundreds of percent. But let's see, what trade did I get on this day? Yeah, so I was on, let's see. I was on in the morning for a little bit, I think. Did a little bit of charting, then I left. So I didn't take any trades in there. Ended up tapering on this gold right here. When I got back, it was 12:39 was my first trade. So yeah, it was about noon. Got back, I did some of the charting. I did gold here. I found this red one for the bullish controlled selling. The gold was the bearish controlled buying. And then I even got this blue one in here. I think I got that in a little later. But completed, okay, yeah, I remember. I got back right when that cup completed. So completed this inverse cup. Tried to make a handle, and I was just starting to chart, and I saw it, and I just wasn't quite confident enough. I hadn't really gotten nestled in. My focus wasn't there, if you know what I mean. Like, I kind of wanted it on the break of that gold, but I'm like, let me, it just wasn't enough time. I wasn't quite settled enough. I just charted that gold, and I was like, this handle very well could be bigger. Let me just give it time and kind of keep charting and see what I got going on. So I didn't catch this trade, but this could have been a nice one. The white was my precision selling. See it down here, supports too. But didn't get that one. And it came down, and I charted the red then. Didn't quite touch it on that one, but I think red was correct. Yeah, for the resistances here, resistance, support. Yeah, where was this trade at? Let me see, 12:39. 12:39 was a call. I actually didn't even see what the dollar was on that. I didn't even review it. I just did it, got out, and was out of there. So I had to bounce, broke white. I considered getting a call there, just for a break of the precision and looking for a retracement. But I kind of missed it. I was just a little too slow. I was a little bummed I missed this trade right down here coming down, but yeah. Once it broke back out of the gray here, and then also back up into this red, which was to me the bullish controlled selling, which it broke out of here. So it could have gotten it here, could have gotten it here. For both of those reasons, I was looking for a retrace, and I missed it right here, and just kind of waited and actually got a nice fill on the retest right here. So good limit fills with patience, and you don't even have to be hardly right, and you can get green trades. So this one I filled at $1.13. I got a call, yeah, right there, $1.13. I was using purple to manage my risk, which was a little difficult here. It did a big wick down. I'm like, I knew it was going to be kind of choppy and for retracement also. And of course I wanted like VWAP, but I thought it potentially could test this red some more, but thankfully it didn't. Came up, closed above here. We get one more little wick down, and then a nice rip up on that candle, which brought us up to the top of this red, and closed it out on that one. 12:45. Got a nice exit, like basically right up here. So 655.35, 656.70. Yeah, so the moves today were pretty big. And so yeah, that was $1.13 to $1.54. So whatever, $40 in profit or something. And that's good on this small account. That's fine. And I was done after that. So stepped away, came back and looked at it, and this is really the move I was trying to catch right here, but it just didn't happen here yet. And if I had more time on it, potentially I would have been able to catch this one as the bigger retrace once it broke this red, because it kind of just kept selling in this red and then broke that for a larger retrace. And I put in gold. I had gold at that point too. That was part of the reason I closed that also. Might not have been that red. It might have been more that gold. I can't quite remember at that point, but then this trade in today. Not to say I wouldn't have gotten stopped on a couple of these. I maybe would have gone long right here. I don't know. I probably would have gone long here and gotten stopped out. Maybe pretty nasty. Not sure. I'm saying if I was still at the computer. However, this trade I probably would have caught and would have made up for all those and then some. So, too bad I didn't catch that one, but it's okay. Today, I'll probably be on it a little bit. It is, what is it? It's Tuesday. Here's Eric's chart. He's SPY Day Trade on YouTube. This is 30-minute chart. So, just done quite a bit of big range days. 5-day has actually now crossed below the 200. You can watch his videos for the macro. Looks like we're going to be having a little gap down here. Volatility is still increased. So I'm being careful with my sizing, and I'll try and review you guys now. And for myself, every day be a little more diligent, try not to overtrade. It's like these days I don't get to trade much, or sometimes just the best for me, because it's, yeah, I don't overtrade and I'm not available to, which is nice. So I'll try and do that even if I have time. So thanks guys, sub up, like up, comment down, have a nice 6 round. I'll see you in the next one. Should be today. Peace out.